The augmented reality glasses have a replacement for the banking app. They show all the information from the card. This is the future. Hey, what are you doing? Nothing, just taking the car for a walk. How about this invention? Unusual hand burner that activates through a metal disc inside. The car is unbeaten and unpainted. Auxiliary equipment that allows a better study of human anatomy. The illusion of an endless sphere. Waste sorting where magnet snatches small metal waste. Production of wood spheres. Machining the face of a metalwork piece. How the Stelmore steel wire production line works. A new attraction in the United States without any insurance. The time when the Iron Man will appear is not far off. Clouds that look like a sea wave. Another interesting watch. It looks so simple, but in fact it is a very complex balance, the strength and stability of the wind, the swell and the hydrofoil setup. It's beautiful. One of the best costume cosplays that won first place at the last BlizzCon show. It took 638 hours to create.